The Minka-Aire F571-ORB Ceiling Fan is expertly crafted with a sleek oil-rub bronze finish, adding a touch of elegance to any indoor or outdoor space. Equipped with 5 durable blades, this fan ensures a reliable performance in various weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor use. Although the fan does not come with a light kit, it is compatible with Minka-Aire wet location light kits, allowing for easy customization. One of the fan's standout features is its quiet 3-speed reversible motor, which efficiently circulates air in both summer and winter to help reduce energy costs. With a blade sweep diameter of 52 inches and a 12-degree blade pitch, the fan provides ample airflow to keep your environment comfortable. For added convenience, the fan is compatible with an optional wall control, offering greater flexibility in managing its settings.